Welcome back. I'm Khoo, and of course I'm joined by Wei Lynn, Tang and Charlotte Chong. Stocks with the momentum. Heaveaboard had a massive quarter, blew past expectations, as well as on the profit front, as well as on the margin front. Fantastic 3 months for them.
That's right, Chong. So I actually have quite a soft spot for this company because I actually remember interviewing them this time last year when it was still rather under research, right, by analysts. So second quarter saw its actually profits doubled. It actually managed its cost well, and like you said, margin expansion across its particle boards and ready to assemble furniture, right? But beyond this, Heaveaboard, besides riding the US dollar growth, is actually managing its product mix well, which means it's actually producing higher quality boards, which is actually EO, or super EO is what is actually deemed in the particle board segment, right?
Back in the days when there was still a diamond in the rough. I mean, there's so many good points and catalysts for the stock that it almost beggars belief. I mean, the fact that they are beneficiaries of a strong dollar versus the weak ringgit. Anytime the dollar stays up above 4 to the ringgit, they're going to be doing really well. They've halved finance costs by second quarter, so the expectation is for them to be net cash by the end of the year. That might provide a potential fillip in the sense of a dividend policy. When Charlotte Chong meets them on Thursday, I think we're going to be getting a better clarity on that front as well. And the fact is, they're also moving to higher margin particle boards.
Not only that, they're also actually producing their own brand. So right now, I think about 90% is actually contract manufacturers to clients in Japan and China. Now, it's actually not easy to penetrate Japan because they've got very high quality requirements, but they've managed to in the past years. So now, besides moving to their own brand as well as higher quality particle boards, you've actually seen their pre-tax margins, just to give us perspective, it's actually risen from about 1% in 2011 to 6.6% in 2013, and now for the first half, it's actually 14%.
I mean, the future's so bright for them, they've got to wear sunglasses, right? But I mean, is there anything on the horizon that might, blip their positive outlook? I mean, to me, when you've got a company which is so dependent in terms of the share price rise on the strong dollar, if the dollar comes back and weakens against the ringgit, I'm not sure whether this will hit the share price untowardly or not.
But CMB today in a report actually says that it actually expects a stronger second half because earnings delivery, right? Because all this demand from Japan and China, and don't forget, Japan will actually host the Olympics in 2020. So this might actually see a certain boost or catalyst to Heaveaboard, considering that it's
well, declaration from a minority shareholder standpoint, I actually bought 200 shares in them today. I want to get the annual reports, okay? So I bought at 94 cents, and I think this is a stock which has actually split from the time you spoke to them.
It split 4
times, really well.
Right.
Close to there at 94.5 cents, I think it was.
But funnily though, Chuang, I remember when I actually spoke to the company 1 year ago, right? The shares have actually doubled in that time. So you're talking about actually tripled in the last 2 years.
So is this a buy for you?
So I don't know, but considering that you have bought it, I might actually consider it today.
Okay, well, one to watch then for the future.